Okay, this is how to install the magnet tools. I'll send you all these zip files. Now, if you are not able to open the zip file, you should install this first, the WinRAR file. You should install that one first. When you double click on it, it will ask you to install, then you install. I have installed already. So if I try to install, so this is how it comes. Then you toggle all. Make sure that all are ticked, and then you click OK. Because I have done it already, that is why it's coming like this. So, okay. Now, once you install the WinRAR file, this one will become activated that you can extract it. So you double click on it. You install the WinRAR file only when your machine is not able to detect the zip file. But if your machine is able to detect it, you don't need to install the WinRAR file again. But what you will do rather is to go straight to click on the zip file, because if you zip it or put it in a zip format, it's easy to share. That is why I've put it in a zip format. So what you do is I just extract and then click OK. It's going to extract it into a folder, and the folder will be located at the same place that your zip file is. So it's done. You close it. Now you open the folder. Once you open the folder, you open this one again. Now you see install. You double click on it. Make sure that your internet is on. I have put my internet on. So you can see that my internet is on here. If you are installing, make sure your internet is on. After installation, then you off your internet. So double click on it. Yes. So all this will tick. Then you come to next. Make sure that you keep the current version. Don't use this one. Then next, accept the license agreement and click next. Make sure that it is installed for all. You are installing for all. Next. Next. So this is showing me that I have only 35 gig available, but the Magnet 2 Office need only about 1.5 or 1.7 gig. So I have enough space. So next, you take all these ones and then install. So once you click install, you wait for a while, it will install. Sometimes you will need, the reason why you put the internet on is that um, you need to download some drivers to aid the installation. So it is telling me that I have 2 minutes to install. Yours may take longer than mine because I have installed it already, and I am installing it again for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so let's wait a while for it to install. Again, make sure the internet is on. If your internet disconnects, your installation may not be complete. Okay. Only 2 minutes, so let's wait. Let's wait 60 seconds, meaning 1 minute. Let's wait a bit. It's almost done. Okay. So installation completed. Now it will tell you to launch the office. Don't launch it. Just untick this one and click finish. Now you are done. But to be able to use it efficiently, or to be able to use it without any challenges, you have to apply the patch. So there's a patch in it also in the folder. So what you do is that you off your internet. Now you are done. You are done with the um, installation. So you can off the internet. I'm not offing the internet because I'm using it to do the installation. So for you, if you are installing it in on your machine after installing, just off the internet, then continue. You can continue as I am going to do, but it will help you to be on the safer side or to avoid any problem of the internet first. So I am using the internet to do the recording. That is why I'm not offing my own. So click on the patch and then open this patch. What you are seeing here, you select all to this. The readme text is not part, but only up to here. Then you copy. So I'm going to copy. You can use Control C or just right click and then copy to clipboard. Once you copy, make sure you minimize it and then you come to your local disk C and then you come to program files. When you come to program files, you look for magnet here and then open the office and open the tools. Then you paste what you copied here. You just paste them here. It will ask you to place yes. Then you take for all, then you continue. Yes. At this point, sometimes it will prompt you to your antivirus will prompt you. But if it doesn't, don't worry. I'll show you what to do later. But what I forget to mention is that after installing it, and then you want to copy the patch file into this folder, um, it is advisable to off your internet. It is advisable to off your antivirus. But if you don't off it, um, I'll show you what to do later. Okay, so now we are done with this. I'll close it. So once I've copied the patch inside this one, I'll go back to my magnet tools folder here. And then this magnet job that I created, I added it, this one, you open it, and then you see the Vista View Engineering Consult. Make sure you open that one. Don't come and open the magnet tools that has been created, the shortcut that has been created on the, do not open the shortcuts that has been created here. If you open here, you will not see the Ghana meter grid coordinate system inside it. Rather, open the one that I have created for you, the job I have created for you, this one. So it is telling me that my application was not able to start correctly. This is because the um, patch files that I copied inside the into the program files folder was the my security system or my antivirus has arrested it, so I have to go and do it again. So I'll go back and then I'll open the patch again. I'll copy it again and then I'll send to I'll send it to the local disk program files magnets, and then I'll paste it here again as I did. So I'll just paste it here, replace, yes. Now I'll go and open it again and see. It is telling me application error. So what I will do, this is what I was talking about. It means that I have to off my antivirus. Sorry. So I'll go to settings and then security, and I'll come to Windows security. My active, so you see that my antivirus is telling me that I have some severe threats. So what I will do is that it is the magnet tools files that is appearing here. So I will just allow it on my device. I will allow it on my device and then start action. Yes. Now it will allow me. So I'll minimize it and then I'll go back. I'll go back and then I'll copy the patch files. Okay, sorry, I'll go back and then I'll open the job. So you can see that it is opening. So it is the antivirus that was preventing it. It was seeing the patch files as a virus. So once I allow it on my machine, it's not going to harm your machine. So now you can see that my magnet tools has opened. So it will ask me that, do I want to update? The reason why it's asking me for update is that my internet is on. I'll click close. Now I'll open it wide. You see, this is a job I have done already. So what you do is that you just have to just highlight it and then delete, can delete it out of it. That's all. And then now what you do is that you come to report and then come to report configuration. Because my internet is on, it's likely the app will shut down and I'll open it again. But if you are using it, make sure you put your internet off to avoid any um, uh, shutting down and reopening it again. So now you come to GPS observation. This one has been set already for you. Everything here, I have done the settings for you. Everything here, I've done the settings for you. So you don't need to do anything again. Everything here has been done. Everything here has been done. Uh-huh. Everything here has been done. And then the points, everything here has been done. So you don't need to do anything again. If you want to create your own job out of this, I will teach you how to do it when we start the tutorial. Okay. So in case you are working with this one and it shuts down, I want it to shut down for you to see how you reopen it again. In case you are working with it. I think I don't want the um, video to be long too, so I will stop here. When we start the actual tutorial, I will teach you when it's shut down how to reopen it again. Thank you very much.